Hello, let's continue our series of AI Clash, Cognition and Code Decathlon. And in this video, I'll tell about instruction following verification using best practices for software verification related to LLMs and AI. So, instruction following. Basically, each customer, doesn't matter business customer or end user, requires or expects a very simple thing. It provides multiple conditions and request, and this request is processed based on this condition and return expected result. Expected result is affected by default knowledge of users and customers, default expectations, and all those things. But still, following instructions is the main feature, that one of the main features that AI should provide. And people paying huge attention to that. There are multiple IFeval, instruction following evaluation, data sets, test sets and test frameworks, so on and so forth, but all of them have a specific issue. Probably because researchers doing this. So, Google IFeval. One of the tasks. Write a 300 plus word summary of the Wikipedia page, blah blah blah. Do not use any commas and highlight at least 3 sections that has titles, so on and so forth. Do not use any commas. LLM or AI can reply to this using sentences in the way, or building sentences in the way that commas are not needed, and those sentences are grammatically correct without commas, or it can reply with sentences and text build of sentences where commas are required according to grammar rules, but the AI removes those commas. Which reply will be correct? What is easier to automate? So you need a tool to verify reply to be consistent according to the rules that are not mentioned in the exact request. Plus, this is supposed to be complex tool because it will verify grammar, and this will be following grammar rules. They have multiple test cases, and there should be following, theme rules, following multiple rules that are not the main goal of the test case, but still needs to be verified in order to verify how consistent reply is. This tool will be complex and will require its own test cases to verify that this tool works correctly in all conditions. So it not double, but even more complicates verification tools, processes, and so on and so forth. What can we do? We can apply standard practice for software verification that requires test case to be built in the way that reply directly compared with expected value, and we making decision pass or fail. For that, we can use math. Simple math. If you saw previous videos, you already know. So I have multiple candidates, most popular AI chats. Those chats received copy of the same request, same task, and I will compare results, expectations, displaying you how simple it is even doing manually, plus take into consideration that this form is easy to automate, doesn't require many additional test cases, and tool itself will be simpler to build and to verify. So on the example of ChatGPT, I'll display more details about test case, equations, and so on. And all following chats, just simple comparison, and that's it. Request is, please apply following instructions for following request until I'll ask to remove those conditions. So all following requests should apply those instructions. Instruction number 1. If the equation contains exactly 4 params, you probably remember Operands are actual numbers. Operations are those arithmetical signs: multiply, plus, minus, division, things like that. So if equation contains exactly 4 operands and at least one operation is multiplication and not any minus operations, reduce the final result by 5. Very simple. Evaluating this equation, applying directly some conditions that it should follow, comparing, gain result of the actual equation, and somehow modify this final result. Easy to automate, easy to compare. Second instruction, if the first operation, like 16, 2, 2, 3, so on, if the first, operation, divide, multiply, plus, divide, if the first operation of the equation is add, and the second operand of the equation is less than 5, then multiply the final result by 2. If the fifth operand of the equation is less than 2, then reduce the final result by 3. If equations meet several conditions, apply them in the order of this listing. So in case equation meets first and third, final result should apply first modification and then third modification. Same as second and third. First applies second modification, then third modification. Easy. Let's review examples. 16 minus 8 minus 1. Let's check it with equations. However, if equation contains exactly 4 operands, 1, 2, 3, no, not reading further. If first operation of the equation is add, divide, no. If the fifth operand in the equation is less than 2, I have only 3, no. Let's try on the second one, how it's supposed to work. If the equation contains exactly 4 operands, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. And at least one operation is multiplication, yes, this operation is multiplication. And not any minus operations, multiply, plus, divide, no minus, good. Reduce the final result by 5. So for second equation, it means first instruction conditions, and it's supposed to be 6, 2 times 3, 6, 9 divided per 3, 3, so 6 plus 3, 9, reduces final result by 5, 4. I expect here 4, because, let's try it. If the first operation of the equation is add, multiply, no. If the fifth operand of the equation, I have only 4, so no. It meets only first instruction, only first instruction modification of the final result is applied, and final expectation is 4 instead of 9. This is how it works. This is what I expect from candidates. Now let's run. 1, 1, yes. By the way, you can see that I have beautiful checklist thanks to Claude of Anthropic, and let's run. Second, 4, 4, pass. 3, 3, pass. Minus 4, pass. 5, 5, pass. 10, 10. 25, 25. 7, 7. Good we go. 40, 40. 56, 56. 20, 20. 56, 56. 10, 10. 10, 10. 27, 27. Good. Everything meets expectations in positive scenarios. Now, I request each chat to remove instructions, drop them, and not apply anymore. All of them actually agreed, so this is just to display that everything is fine. And now, you remember from previous videos, we always need to verify that indeed instructions are removed and will not be applied anymore to further requests. So I'm reusing some previous requests to ensure that those instructions are indeed removed. So as you can see here, this is the same equation, but with instruction I would expect 56, without I would expect 33, because 1 per 11, 11, 10 plus 11 plus 12, this is 33. Let's go. 33, yes. 15, yes. 5, yes. 13, yes. 30, yes. No other issues means it could be something met here that an issue, but this issue is not related to following instructions that I'm testing in those tests, and to not making very large, checklist. I just join them into other issues section. If I meet something that is bug but not related to the following instructions, I'm marking it as other issues available, so no other issues. Here I don't see anything that can be treated as an issue, so it's pass, no other issues. Wonderful. And just to display, you remember that in positive tests you must mix equations or conditions that will meet different instructions by order. So you can see no rules triggered, rule 1, rule 1 doesn't apply, so it's no rules applied. Rule 2 applied, rule 3 applied, rule 1 applied, rule 3 applied, rule 2 applied, rule 3 applied, rule 2 applied, rule 1 and 2 applied. So mixing. No rules applied, no rules applied, rule 2 and 3 applied. You see, mix is possible. So far, so good. ChatGPT. Let's go to next, and here just running through the results, comparing them with expectations, and that's it. 1, 1, 4, 4, 3, 3, -2, -4. So you see, let's go and check. This is 3 plus -5. Let's run through equations. Instruction. If the equation contains exactly 4 operands, I have only 2, not applicable. If the first operation of the equation is add, and the second operand of the equation is less than 5, -5 is less than 5, then multiply the final result by 2. 3 plus -5 is -2, multiply by 2, -4 is expected, -2 is displayed. No. This is how it works, basically. 5, 5, yes. 13, 10, no. I will not follow instructions, you can do it yourself. And here is additional issue. So something with UI, it's not accurate, it's supposed to be a question like that. Here is fine, here is not, here is not, here is fine, so something going on, and this goes to other issues, and I already see that other issues available and mark it as fail. Let's continue. 3 per 4 by 2 by 5, so 25, 25, here is correct. 10, 7, no. 40, 40, yes. 61, 56, no. 10, 20, no. 33, 56, no. 10, 10, yes. it was 2 plus 8. 5, 5, yes. Oh, I mean 10, 10, yes. 15, 27, no. Drop instructions, understood, perfectly. Everybody told understood. And now verification. 33, 33, yes. Oops. 15, 15, yes. 5, 5, yes. 13, 13, yes. And 30, 30, yes. This is how it goes. So you see, you can automate this verification very easy, very simply, without big efforts. And it will be like this fast. Gemini. Let's go. So same instructions, same equations, and here are results. Next time I should add instruction on how to display that, because it's sometimes hard to read and detect what is expected. Final result 1, 1, yes. 4, 4, yes. 3, 3, yes. -2, -4, no. Same as previous. 5, 5, yes. 10, 10, yes. 25, 25, yes. 7, 7, yes. 20, 40, no. 56, 56, yes. 10, 20, no. Where I was, so 8 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 20, no. 28, 56, no. 10, 10, yes. 10, 10, yes. 12, 27, no. So you can see that this, which when condition 3 applies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, condition 3 applies, but it also is supposed to be... so it selects only one condition. Here it's supposed to be 2 and 3. And this is the problem. Okay. So you see, adding additional test cases, you can detect how misbehavior actually happens. For example, Gemini ignores in case we have multiple instructions met. Gemini ignores it and picks only last one. This is why it appears. Plus, looks like Gemini ignores the second condition, multiplication by 2, for some reason. At least here, probably it has problem with treating or comparing negative values with positive values. Like, probably it treated that -5 and 5 are -5 is not less than 5, or somehow compared them in a different way. More test cases you add, more exact conditions you see, more precisely you can detect which condition or type of conditions cause the issue, which type of instructions is mistreated or not understood or ignored. The easier researchers and developers will find the root cause of this issue. Simply. Let's go forward. So drop instructions, remove, yes. Understood perfectly. Let's check. So 33, 33, 15, 15, 5, 5, 13, 13, 30, 30. Yes, 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 and yes. Also, I do not see anything that can be treated as additional issue. Everything is related to mistreating instructions. So here is no other issues. Next one. Grok 3. So it was a notice for me in comments that Grok 3 now has think option and it should be enabled. It was enabled for the test case itself, and test case was executed when think is enabled. Problem is that Grok, X or Twitter, reloads page if it stands without action for some time. So now it was reloaded and think is disabled by default, but it was enabled while running. So here we can do even faster, because final result I can compare here directly, and it will be even faster than reading. Let's go 1 1, yes, 4 4, yes, 3 3, yes, -4 -4, yes, 5 5, yes, 10 10, yes, 25 25, yes, 7 7, 40 40, 56 56, 20 20, 56 56, oops, this is the bottom one, 10 10 27, 10 10 27, 10 10 27. Please remove, got it, so totally agreed, and let's verify. 33 15 5, 33 15 5, 13 30 13 30. That's good. And I don't see anything that can be treated as an issue, so no other issue. Again, I am not verifying exactly output for different issues and so on. I'm displaying you how you can simplify verification of the following instruction, or instruction following, sorry, and to automate it to increase coverage, because here are only positive scenarios, right? You can add negative scenarios, you can add contradictive instructions, contradictive actions, impossible actions, impossible instructions, things like that. This is easier to automate, easy to make agile, and all those things. So let's chat from Mistral. Let's run. Result. So I'm looking for result. 1 1, 9 4, no, 3 3, -2 -4, no, 5 5, 30 10, and again, 13 10, 13 5 4. So here is the problem with displaying same as Cohere, I believe, had. Yes. This is interesting, by the way, but you make any thoughts, let's say, of this by yourself. This is not the goal of my testing. Let's go 5 4 4, 13 10, no, 30 25, no, 10 7, no, 20 40, no, 56 56, I don't know, probably good guess, 20 20, yes, 33 56, no, 10 10, yes, 10 10, yes, 15 27, no. Remove conditions, okay, and let's compare. 33 15 5, 33 15 5, 13 30 13 30. Everything goes here. So without conditions, working perfectly. Let's go next. Perplexity. You see? So if page is not participating in action for a long time, it's being reloaded, and sometimes things are being unchecked. Same conditions, same equations, bragging about how good Perplexity understood this condition. So let's run. 1, 1, yes. 4, 4, yes. Damn. 3, 3, yes. Ooh, -4, -4, yes. 5, 5. 10, 10. 25, 25. And here again, same problem. Okay, let me mark it. So, this is amazing. But anyways, we are verifying different things here. So 4 by 3 by 2 plus 5 minus 1. 7, 7, yes. 40, 40, yes. 56, 56. 20, 20. 56, 56. 10, 10. 10, 10. 27, 27. Well, that's good. Please remove, understood. Let's go. So result 33, 15, 5. 33, 15, 5. 13, 30, 13, 30. Okay. Reka. So here are solutions to the equations following the order of operation. Okay. Let's go. In this way. 1, 1. Yes. 9, 4. No. 3, 3. Yes. -2, -4. No. 5, 5. 13, 10. 30, 25. 10, 7. Where is 10? And here it is. Here it is again for one of the equation, but it's okay for another one. Okay. Okay then. 2 plus 3. Here it is. 40. Where? 20, 40. No. 61, 56. No. 10, 20. 33, 56. 10, 10, 10, 10. 15, 25. Remove. Got it. Everybody got everything. So 33, 15, 5. 33, 15, 5. 13, 30. 13, 30. Yes. Something in this combination of operations making UI look bad for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, if this watching anyone from Perplexity, let chat, just let your developers know, okay? Claude. Let's go. 1, 1. Yes. 9, 4. No. 3, 3. Yes. -4. -4. Yes. 5, 5. Yes. 13. 10. No. 25, yes. 10, 7. By the way, and again, the same thing. Here is even more. So here it has problem with very interesting UI behavior, you know. So 40, 2 plus 3 plus 5, 2 plus 3 plus 5, 20, 40, no. 61, 56, no. 20, 20, yes. 33, 56, no. 10, 10, yes. 10, yes. 15, 27. Please remove. I've removed. So 33, 15, 5, 13, 13. Wow, looks like that. Next one, DeepSeek. DeepSeek. Thinking enabler makes responses are very big. Equations again, thinking before is huge, and all responses are huge and big and hard to read, but anyways, let's go. 1, 1, yes. 0. 6 plus 1. So here is a problem with following arithmetical order of arithmetical operations according to the rules, because first needs to be applied multiply and divide, then plus minus, all those things, and I don't have anything else. So not following arithmetical rules is a failure, different from not following instructions. Oof. And anyways, result is incorrect. Let's go. -1, 3. Interesting. -4, -4. 5, 5. 30, 10. 25, 25. 7, 7. 60, 40. 56, 56. 20, 20. 256, by the way, of curiosity. So if multiply and divide goes first, no issues with calculations, but if they go not first, and here is a plus and minus before them, it's a problem. Okay, good. 2 plus 8, 10. 10. 47, 27, no. Drop instructions, yes. Long thing. Here are results for each equation. I didn't ask for that, so I don't know why it's doing like that. Okay, anyways, I'm not reviewing, not checking, because here are my control questions to verify that instructions were dropped. And 133, 33, because, yes, because 10 plus 1, 11 by 11, 121 plus 12, so incorrect due to algebra, but anyways, 25, 15, no. 5, 5, yes. 13, 33, no. And 30, 30, yes. So Here is result of review Grok 3. Let's double check with Grok 3 how it displays equations. Here is all operations available, all operations available. Here all operations available. So it's right, Grok 3 has no issue related to this thing. Gemini, let's double check. All operations I can see, so no UI issues with operations display. This is correct. And ChatGPT, double check. So because I'm looking for results and not reviewing operations in details, no UI operations. So final result looks like that. Adding more test cases, making this flexible, making conditions negative, contradictory, and so on, making actions negative, contradictory, forbidden, making all those things will increase coverage, will increase accuracy of the testing, will allow better understand which type of conditions not working. By the way, those conditions can be generated automatically as well for automation, and they will be flexible. Actions can be generated automatically as well and can be very flexible. So you can train LLM or AI chat to pass those tests specifically, because each time it will be something different. Will display you how good they are in following instructions in general, and those are more accurate following instructions because eventually end user needs to have something specific. I'm not talking about text generation, images generation, and so on. I cannot right now verify them because for me it will be I like it, I don't like it. I'm not that good in evaluating images, how good composition is, how balanced colors is. That is not mine. Those are results. In the next video, definitely those AIs will try to follow instructions during code generation. So stay tuned and have a great day. Bye.